What it do, everybody? It's your girl AshaKosh looking. Oh! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because your girl is your girl. You know what I mean? I'm like an OG in this thing. Been doing this for a lot of years, so you guys know when you come to me, you come for the truth. So you guys, Aligrace sent me a wig, and you guys know I got locks now, but that don't mean I'm not a wig girl still. Like, they sent me a glueless wig to try out for you guys, and you guys know I love glueless wigs. They're so simple, they're so easy, they're beginning friendly, they're mom friendly, they're just every type of friendly. It's like if you are a beginner, if you're a mom, you just need something to quick to throw on, these are the wigs to get. Okay, so I'm about to show you guys what I got in the bag. Y'all, I'm sorry for my appearance. I'm gonna look better after the video, or you probably see what I look like before y'all even got to this part. So you know, I like to turn up, okay? Like, I look good. Alrighty, so in the package, I got a little how to take care of the hair treatment. I got a wig cap. I like these colored wig caps because, you know, it's giving. And then we also got, of course, the wig. I believe the hair is $24.26. Everything will be linked in the description with the details and the discount code and the link to this wig. So just check out the discount, and that's all that comes with the wig. I'm about to do a quick little, just really put on some eyelash and a little bit of concealer, and then I'm gonna get back to you, okay? Okay, let me say period on the slide. Real slight, nothing too major. This is how I put my wigs on with the locks. I make it really simple and easy for myself, especially when it's a glueless wig, because I feel like what makes my hair the flattest is just pulling it all back. Like, just slicking this thing back and putting my hair in a ponytail in the back. And it's really flat. So love that about the locks, because they're already in a kind of uniform way. The only thing is my edges are a little bit curly, but okay, not too much, just brush them back. Not gonna lie, looking at this wig, it's giving more so lace and not much glueless. Like, y'all, that's a lot of lace. We gonna have to see what this works with. It says it's already pretty like plucked, but it also looks like it looks really good, but also I'm like, I know how I do the lace, so I am gonna color it, and we're gonna be right back. Okay, I put some of that on here as well, so let's see how it goes on the first initial put on. Figure out the best plan. I don't know, for me to make my wig look good, I have to have a plan going into the wig. I can't just put it on. I gotta look at it, marinate it, and figure out what I'm gonna do, because you can start cutting and do all that stuff, but then it's like, if you don't know what you're gonna do, cutting everything is not gonna make it do what it need to do. Okay, y'all, so I spritz it with some bonding lace bond spray, and I'm about to take it off. It's been a couple of minutes, and I let that thing marinate with the blow dryer too. All right. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna let that marinate a little bit more, and then I'll come back once it's stuck like glue. So while I'm letting this marinate, I'm gonna start on the curls. So this is water with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna spray that all around. Get a nice mist going through, dampening the hair. And then I'm gonna comb it out with a wide tooth comb. So that's what I'm about to do. I mean, it's not a wide tooth, but it's a power brush. It do the same thing. Alrighty, y'all, this is the finished look with the hair. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, I love this wig. It was super easy to put on. Love it, love it, love it. All I can do is recommend it. Glowing remarks. I love this wig, so definitely you guys are gonna see this wig a lot more. So yeah, I had fun putting it on. It was easy, it looks good, it's very big and sexy. Like, look what it's giving. It's giving that girl energy, so you guys got to get this wig. I finally finished it off, I did my edges, got it wet, and it's so soft, y'all. Super duper soft. It looks very natural, and it really covers my locks. You would never know I have locks in my hair because it's so big, which I absolutely love, you guys. Definitely check out this wig. I have it all linked in the description with all the deets and stuff that you need, so don't forget to check that out. And of course, if I got a discount code, it'll be down there as well. So get the juices. So you curl up good. Yeah, that's how I want you. You know how I want you, right there. Right there. Right there. Yeah. Definitely check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna shock Ty and show him my new look and see what he likes. Show my man his new girl. And yeah, if you guys wanna see his reaction, stay tuned. All right, I see you guys in my next video. Bye. AK.